What is one way in which individuals hurt their chances of bringing a successful medical malpractice case in the state of Maryland? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about some really good and important information. And this information is going to deal with one way in which individuals torpedo or sandbag or hurt their chances of bringing a possible successful medical malpractice case in Maryland. And what is that they do, Marcus? What am I getting at? They wait too long. Yep, that's it. They wait too long. See, under Maryland law, you have a certain amount of time to bring a medical malpractice case. You can't wait forever. And sometimes what we can have is individuals will know on the front end that things may not be going well, either with their doctor or with the care that they're given, and they don't reach out to an attorney until the last minute. And what can happen is, because so much time has went on, the attorney may not have the ability to investigate the case properly and to be able to prep everything to get ready for a medical malpractice case. For example, we had an individual who contacted us, and what happened is their husband had surgery, and the wife contacted us with everything. Husband had surgery. Everything seemed to be going okay when the doctors were talking to them about what was needing to be done. But after the surgery, there was some problems. The doctors told the family that there were some things that came up, and the wife was listening to all of this, and she informed us that, you know, she was kind of wondering, was things going right? There were some red flags that shot out at her mind with things. And what happened is, after the surgery, the individual went home, and a couple of days later, that person, the husband, he died. He passed away. And the wife, you know, of course, these are very trying times for individuals, and she just let time go forward and keep moving. And by the time she reached out to us, the statute of limitations was about to run on it. And there was no way that we could have gotten that case set up and filed and everything that needed to happen before the statute was going to run out. So what I'm going to explain to you before I wrap this video up is that if you are in a situation, and because we do have individuals that sometimes will contact us and they're not ready to hire a lawyer yet, but they will at least want to reach out and to get a better understanding of this process. And what I'm going to share with you today is, if you are in this situation and you may not be ready to hire a lawyer or to file a case or anything like that, but there is one thing that you can do, and that is you can at least get the medical records as to what happened, because the medical records will be needed if you do decide to contact an attorney down the road to help you out with everything. So you can do that. You can get the medical records. But even doing that, you got to remember, you cannot wait too long, because like I said, Maryland law has a time frame, a cutoff time frame in which you must bring a medical malpractice claim. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because again, I'm trying to give you insight into this process. I'm trying to help you understand what you would have to do, or how this process works if you were thinking about bringing a medical malpractice case in the state of Maryland. Now, I realize you probably have more questions about your situation, and this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next step, and that is to go and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.